Mo to Ababa Mponkye 187 people Mponkye Nkote and our parliament.
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
You are not going to get any development, but what you are going to see is flooding. It's flooding. Most about to abattre, Momona Junior Abu form, more to Ababa Mponkye 187 people punching and our good parliament. And they are to be at NDC will defend. Atufos will come and tell you that I have given you money, and now a great minister Zabakacha the Sikano in for the defend because Atufos where you Sikano and a word chedi. They are stealing the money and they want to Kennedy. Unfortunately, cannot quite now. So, or catch a great minister that Medicana, I want to say, farm, Y0uth. Y0uth. Eh?
Enunti Samoma Edi Mutrimu say MPP ya Y0uth mu. Enti ya di Mponkye bakura mobetu amano. Ubenya Mponkye MP. And the way the NDC for the team it's a what the Mponkye John what the NDC what the Fanukwema what Twaman it's a what to aba akama tipon to Mponkye penyin e ma otena so ho no onyi mo onye no anyam na mekan. It is I said, I have never insulted President Mahama here. I am not insulting President Mahama. I'm using one party chairman. That means whether so your president or your minister or your one or your punchiness to Abamana. This is what we are going to see. Accra is going to flood. And people are going to be rendered homeless. That is what we are seeing. Wait, Jimmy, at Abama Poncha.
Kezela 240, no problem, Banco, that's okay. Best performing male minister, Honorable Iman Amakofi Boa, Wankoho, no problem. Best performing female minister, Honorable Rita Akocha, Gwade, Rita Misokoi.
Oh, I don't know.
Eastern region. Eastern region. Yes, who and see ho. Oh, bye. Okay. Gwade here. Best Deputy Minister, Dr. Say, Afo Toffee, Deputy Minister of Transport. Madam, we are correct. And so, Pia Bakacha, Sikano, what you are. Best Regional Minister, Miami Balinda. Ah, the sister. Ah, sister.
So you fan.
Ah, sister. Best public institution CEO. We are not going to DVL. I hear mention gold board.
Wait,
because some of you don't. Huh? On the same way, or some of you on pay, on course I deal with who. On any brand, I not see ye or buy a crunchy. Or the captain, yes, we are in Kadia, may on one back. I'm so boss, so outing. Order of Star of Ghana. Hey. Kofana Mankwasi award. Order of Star of Ghana. What's your SSR award? President to pay. Let me demand. No, I can't yes award. We're saying
doing so well. Deputy Attorney General and the boss doing so well. Say cases in bear 4 and no be na minya updated the bremo. They are doing well. Maybe also no necessary attention when or them are buying. Let me view no. I don't know what to make of it. Feel free share in the comments that we are not subscriber. Most subscriber not click on notification. The video be at my home. No, it's my share. Make sure so be strong so you am me here. Me anon so here.
Eh, ato force na ye. Eh, ato force you no a all cause only evidence o. Asam no can only evidence. But in a near break, because not even trying to say, Obi akoye post. I may be ato force that number 1. Enti mami kabi bi abema ato force ho aye hi aden. Timwa dia mu ye mu hinti aye mamo. In a minute, the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mu amu aban mu mate mu ho ase say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land. Ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1.1% bi no de amamo. Someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na yaka wa abonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting make kind say the power of our thumb. Someone mu a obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa twam utimi na ni wadi hwe ho ukọ ho a enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ but today you are occupying that seat. You have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama, who is the president of the land. Ghana for the to me amano and wa panic akrebi. President in what yakonya so cry chat no responding. I told our friend no crop and the minister see any appointees see o friend say tieni as a business what we are seeing na ya dia so awo and attention hunu kwa no mo criticate amu kwa mo refisa president Mahama kra wo ho and ya na ha me no and amu ye ni nyina e total disrespect to the president. The president wo ho na wo interest bi kra nti wuntimi hide ne kakrampo supporters su kra nti mi hide ebi wa ha ka me wo ma da could be out of any job beka but it's like air overshadow amamwo na was e koso no and people have relaxed and no money am brain no mati free no mo ya de obo pe hey masa
mo na da no si mo de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders a KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan saying and no man in Abeya. This is kind of was I to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for. ne ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort a comfort ma facilitate me so mo be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo kekam kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho marketing men o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 do then you know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open ko nkete is enya mo you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Regi0n demand ma say o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e dey Regi0n demand ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay nye beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de emenu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ne letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam 1 which is never true
onya adwuma order and onya juma wo hoda ama nam 1 for the first time nam 1 I post oh yes nam 1 I post
ya no catch obi say dipa ne boa
o si sa asem na this for the first time nam 1 akwa pe ba bia akoda na and nam 1 yes na che say was in who kura dwiri ni say state institution a we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost why na se maintain mo ase ba wone nipa na ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra Y0uth se osusi se nipa na sisi no Y0uth we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wa court Y0uth na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Y0uth is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry a koda I feel the old defediana I feel also by us say any mokra mweda mempemubium a juma ran ankasa me penachino. We invite in our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are oh on Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my